For this romantic twist on the classic Negroni, fill a stirring glass up with ice, add 1 ounce of a high quality gin, 1 ounce of Campari, and 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Stir everything together, no rushing. We're going to do this for about 2 minutes until the glass is very nicely chilled. Fill a rocks glass up with plenty of ice. Add a strainer and then pour straight over the top. For our romantic twist, we're going to finish with a fresh grapefruit, bright, slightly bitter, perfectly balanced. Just squeeze the grapefruit into the Negroni, around the edge and straight in. And of course, an edible flower for Valentine's Day. Cheers.